Hey guys, it's Gian Wells again. So here we have scientific notation, but we're adding this time. This is a little bit trickier because you need to make some decisions. So the first thing that I have to ask myself is which one is bigger? Is 2.8 times 10 to the 5th bigger than 3.3 times 10 to the 4th? Well, I look at my exponent here. This says 10 to the 5th. This says 10 to the 4th. If it's the bigger exponent, that means that it's the bigger number. All right, so what I do is I'm just going to write that down. I'm going to copy that down. Okay. What I want to do is I want to switch that 3.3 so that it has the same exponent as 10 to the 5th. So I'm going to rewrite this as 10 to the 5th. So really the only main thing that I'm changing is I got to change that 3.3. Since I went from 10 to the 4th to 10 to the 5th, I have to do one hop. And since I went from small to big here, I have to go big to small. So I'm just going to move that decimal point to the left. So really it's 0.33. Okay, so now that my exponents are the same, I'm just going to line it up. So I got 2.8 plus 0.33. I'm going to add my 0 there. 3 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 3, bippity-boppity-boo, is 11. Carry the 1 is 3. So it's 3.13. And don't forget, bring down your times 10 to the 5th. And that is your final answer.
Same rules apply with subtraction here. If I move this up, if I can figure that out. There we go. We have simplified 6.4 times 10 to the 7th. And we're subtracting 6.9 times 10 to the 6th. Notice the exponents are different. We're going to leave the larger one alone. Always leave the large one alone. And the 7th is bigger, so leave that alone. Minus. And we're going to change this one. We're going to make this 10 to the 6th. We want to change that to 10 to the 7th. So we'll throw that right here. We just made that larger, so I'm going to make this 6.9 smaller by moving the decimal 1 to the left. So it's 0.69. It's not very pretty there, but we know what we're doing here. We're going to subtract 6.4 minus 0.69. No subtraction practice. We have nothing up here. We're going to put 0. 0 minus 9. Got to borrow from my 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. Can't do 3 minus 6. Got to borrow again. 13 minus 6 is 7. So it's 5.71. And we'll make that times 10. And seeing how these are both to the 7th power, answer stays to the 7th power. Notice this is already in scientific form.